guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix LG S60TR bass and rear speakers no sound issue. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first is you want to check your power cables. So ensure that all power cables for the rear speaker and subwoofer are properly plugged into your power outlets. And also make sure it's securely connected without any loose connections. Next is you might want to adjust your volume. So increase the volume on the soundbar, confirm that the mute function is not enabled. Next is you want to select the correct input. So use the function button on the soundbar to select the correct input source. For example, ensure the soundbar is set to the appropriate mode for your TV or device. And finally, adjust some sound settings here. So open the LG soundbar app and check and modify sound settings. Look for modes such as nighttime, which might reduce the sound volumes, increase the bass and surround sound levels as needed. And finally, avoid interference. So keep electronic devices such as routers, microwaves, and other wireless equipment at least 1 meter away from the soundbar and speakers to prevent any signal interference which might cause your issue or your problem right now. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.